We are living in the age of digital transformation, where science fiction has become present on our everyday lives. Problems are now treated as opportunities. Technology is the bridge to transformation. When we cross that bridge, we get to understand this is a new age, when making progress is to be connected, where a step back does not exist, where data moves a whole new economy. Today, technology serves human needs. Endless possibilities arise all the time on our lives. Thanks to the development of artificial intelligence and new technologies, now machines can extract and analyze data. Then they can reason and make decisions on their own. That way, diseases are foreseen and avoided. In that way, productivity of each industry increases and economic growth is boosted. New ethical paradigms are raised with environmental responsibility and sustainable growth. Artificial intelligence aims for a better world, where complicated things no longer exist, and information is worked efficiently and intelligently on the side of transformation. But to successfully navigate through digital transformation, we cannot forget our essence, human perspective. It's our turn to lead this transformation, where simple solutions are transformed into complete ones. In this new age, Semantix is ready for those new opportunities. Business models will arise and be reinvented in the speed of digital transformation. Semantix brings solutions and innovation in services for big data, IoT, and AI, which will be the opportunities of a new age. Welcome to the new age. Semantix. We impact billions of lives with data.